Do you feel stuck in your 9-to-5 job, earning just enough to pay the bills but never quite getting ahead? Do you want to make more money without having to quit your job? The truth is, you don't need to start a business or take extreme risks to increase your income. You just need the right strategies. In this video, I'll share 4 powerful ways to make more money as a 9-to-5 salary employee. These are real, actionable steps that can help you boost your earnings, grow your wealth, and move closer to financial freedom. Welcome to your financial freedom. This is the channel where we teach you how to master your money, grow your wealth, and achieve financial independence. If you're serious about increasing your income, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let us know in the comments which strategy you're going to start with. Now, let's get started. Way #1, negotiate a higher salary. One of the fastest ways to make more money without changing jobs is to negotiate your salary. Most employees never ask for a raise, leaving thousands of dollars on the table every year. Here's why negotiation works. Many companies expect employees to negotiate and have room in the budget for salary increases. If you don't ask, you don't get. Your employer won't offer more unless you make a strong case for it. Over time, even small raises can compound into thousands of extra dollars per year. Imagine you negotiate a $5,000 salary increase today. Over 5 years, that's $25,000 more in earnings, before factoring in bonuses and retirement contributions. How to negotiate successfully? Do your research. Find out the market salary for your role using sites like Glassdoor or LinkedIn Salary Insights. Show your value. Keep track of your achievements, contributions, and how you've helped the company grow. Be confident. Approach the conversation as a professional discussion, not a demand. You work hard for your company. Make sure you're getting paid what you're worth. Way #2, start a profitable side hustle. Even if you have a full-time job, you can still build additional income streams by starting a side hustle. Thanks to the internet, it has never been easier to make money outside of work. Here are some side hustles you can start today. Freelancing. Offer your skills in writing, graphic design, video editing, or programming on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Selling digital products. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create ebooks, printables, or online courses and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love on social media and earn commissions for every sale. If you spend just 10 hours a week working on a side hustle that makes you $20 per hour, that's an extra $800 per month, or $9,600 per year. What could you do with an extra $9,600 a year? Travel more? Pay off debt? Invest in your future? The choice is yours. Are these strategies helping you see new possibilities for increasing your income? If so, subscribe to Your Financial Freedom for more practical tips on growing your wealth. Hit the like button if you're ready to take action, and let us know in the comments which strategy you're most excited to try. Let's keep going! Way #3, invest in yourself to boost your earning potential. One of the best investments you can make is in your own skills and education. The more valuable you become, the more you can earn, whether it's in your current job or a better paying one. Ways to invest in yourself. Learn high-income skills like coding, sales, or digital marketing. Take online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning. Get industry certifications that can boost your salary in your current field. A marketing professional earning $50,000 per year who learns SEO and digital advertising can increase their salary to $70,000 plus within a year. Your earning potential is not fixed. The more you learn, the more you earn. Way #4, invest your money to build passive income. The ultimate goal is not just to make more money, but to make your money work for you. This is where investing comes in. The truth about financial freedom. Here's the correct definition. Financial freedom happens when the income from your passive investments is enough to cover your desired lifestyle. This means your investments generate income, so you don't have to rely on your 9-to-5 job forever. Smart ways to invest as an employee. Invest in stocks. Contribute to an index fund or ETFs that grow over time. Take advantage of your 401k or retirement plan. Many employers offer matching contributions. That's free money. Start a dividend portfolio. Invest in dividend-paying stocks that generate passive income over time. Consider real estate investing. Even owning a rental property can generate steady monthly income. If you invest $500 per month into an index fund with an average return of 7% per year, in 20 years, you'll have over $240,000. Every dollar you invest today is a step closer to financial freedom. The sooner you start, the faster you'll get there. Let's quickly recap the 4 ways to make more money as a 9. 5 employee, 1. Negotiate a higher salary. Don't settle for less than you're worth. 2. Start a side hustle. Build an extra income stream outside of your job. 3. Invest in yourself. Upgrade your skills to earn more in your career. 4. Invest your money. Use your earnings to create passive income and build wealth. If you take action on just one of these strategies, you'll be in a much stronger financial position in the next 12 months. If this video inspired you to start making more money, don't stop here. Subscribe to Your Financial Freedom for more strategies on increasing your wealth. Hit the like button if you found these tips valuable, and comment below which strategy you'll implement first. Thank you for watching. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial future transform. Let's build wealth together.